Well, as many of you were coming down here just to see that turquoise water, well, guess what? We're back to Dirty Myrtle. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and as most of you have been watching the videos, seeing those Facebook posts, can't even talk now. The water was beautiful, Caribbean, Turk Island, Bahama water where you can see your feet all the way to the bottom.
Whoa.
Well,
I might have to move my thing back.
There's one good thing, that the water is still warm, but as you can tell, it's very windy. And I also don't have on a hat today, so that's good. But all week long, the meteorologists were trying to figure out why the water was such a pretty color. The reason why it was so beautiful for the past couple of weeks is because there were no tropical storms or hurricanes out there in the beautiful Great Sea.
So what it would do is it would stir up the sediment when there's a storm out there, and it would look like it does now. So because there was no storms, it had time to settle down around the islands, and that debris wasn't around here. And the meteorologist said if there were no storms ever, it would look like that in Myrtle Beach.
And it did for a couple of weeks.
That's right.
The water is super rough. And as you can tell, whenever those waves pound on this sand, and those waves have been churning that beautiful turquoise water. So here you go. It's back. But don't get so disappointed, because it's still nice. The ocean feels good. It's very pretty.
Right now it's very warm.
It is. Feels good out there.
Very good.
All right.
And it's very windy, so I hope everyone can hear us on the mics right now.
Yes, it has been very windy.
Look at the lifeguard. Let's film it, zoom in on him. Look at this. So it's very windy. You can tell, look at the lifeguard umbrella. Very windy. Got a few fishermen out here.
Now remember, whenever those rip tides start pulling you out, you can either swim to the left or swim to the right, or let it take you out. A lot of swimmers get hurt and give out because of the rough water whenever those rip tides pull them out. Just be careful. Wow, look at that drop off. See if I can show you from an angle.
If you get a chance and you see a few holes like this, try to fill them up so the sea turtles won't get trapped.
And you won't fall in them.
All right, this is the next day, and it looks like the water is trying to get back pretty like it was. It's kind of clear when the sun's out. Wow, it's clear. We're in the Bahamas. Hey man, look at those nails too.
I'm getting Barbie ready.
You getting Barbie ready? So we'll get out here into the waves a little bit, where a lot of people like to sit, like it's Jamaica. All right, let's take a little beach walk, see what we can see and hear. Right down there is Myrtle Beach. And right down there is Surfside Beach. So it's low tide, it looks like. Small little ripples in the waves. All right, so we got up on top of the sand, and it looks prettier. And if you're up in a high rise like Myrtle Beach or North Myrtle Beach, it probably looks a lot prettier than we can get the view from here. You can see all the different colors, and it looks a lot more tropical. And those dark spots, to me, I think are the clouds. And that's actually a shadow from the clouds because it comes and goes. So if we look towards Surfside, look at the big, yeah, look at the waves way down there, how wide it is.
You can see Surfside from here, Surfside
Yeah.
Pier.
That Surfside Pier way off in the distance.
And white caps rolling.
That's right, the white caps rolling. And the next few days, we'll check it out and see if it gets clearer. So maybe we're not back to Dirty Myrtle. Maybe. So enjoy it while it lasts, folks.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. See ya in the next video.